I was uncomfortable and on a regular basis found that I had an issue to deal with. The situation I had meant that I really had to make adjustments in my lifestyle.
So hemorrhoids are a very common disorder that we see in our patient population. And there's two types of hemorrhoids. There's external hemorrhoids or outer hemorrhoids, and internal hemorrhoids or inner hemorrhoids. So if we've had a patient who has failed diet modification and medications and has failed office procedures, or they did not control the symptoms, or they didn't tolerate it, then we talk about surgical options. And we usually leave surgery as the last option because the majority of the patients we can avoid surgery in. And it used to be that the only option we used to have for these patients in the operating room is to remove this hemorrhoidal tissue. And this kind of surgery is done as an outpatient, but can be pretty debilitating as far as the recovery and the pain, and really can have a prolonged recovery. Well, in the past several years, we have another options for our patients that I've been very excited about, because this type of minimally invasive surgery doesn't require any incisions. So it's incisionless hemorrhoid surgery. And what that entails is an outpatient procedure. Instead of cutting off all that excess engorged hemorrhoidal tissue, we actually use a Doppler ultrasound to locate those engorged vessels and tie them off. At that point, if they also are coming in and out, we actually tuck them back in and tie them back in. This has been very successful. It's an outpatient procedure. The patients return to their daily activities quicker. There's minimal pain associated with it. And I've had patients who have gone to run triathlons at 5 weeks, and I've had patients like Rodney who have started biking and swimming, very active patients who don't have time to have the downtime from a surgical excision or removal of their hemorrhoids, that have really benefited from this minimally invasive approach to their hemorrhoids and really have gotten their life back.
I've been dealing with this problem for several years, so to have a new start, hit a reset button after 4 or 5 years of problems has really been terrific.